child. Hey.
There you go.
There you go. Good.
Is that fun? Is that fun going for a
With
ride?
the horn. Good job.
Good job.
Yeah.
You going for a ride?
Walk back like you were.
Now walk back.
Tell Daddy.
Walk
She
back.
started driving while you were out of town.
That's right. Don't worry, she didn't take the car. Whoa!
That's the first time a car has ever knocked a train.
Yeah.
I get commission. There we go!
Oh, crash again. I'll help you steer. There you go.
Hi.
Boom! Oh!
Boom.
There you go. Bye-bye, Grace. Bye-bye.
Now let's turn around. How you doing, Gracie? Yeah.
You like it? Yay!
A little bit of muscles, that's right.
Look at you go.
Yep. She's still liking it?
Yep. Look at you go.